Neuroplasticity is the remarkable ability of the brain to adapt and change throughout our lives. It refers to the brain's ability to reorganize its structure and function in response to experiences, learnings, and environmental influences. In simple terms, it means that our brains are not fixed or unchangeable but rather dynamic and flexible. The concept of neuroplasticity challenges the traditional view that the brain reaches a certain level of development in early childhood and remains relatively fixed afterwards. Instead, research has shown that our brain can form new connections between neurons, modify existing connections, and even generate new neurons in certain areas. Brain training exercises and memory improvement techniques take advantage of neuroplasticity to enhance cognitive abilities. These exercises involve engaging in activities that challenges and stimulate the brain. For example, puzzles, brain teasers, and memory games can help improve cognitive skills such as problem solving, attention, and memory. Memory improvement techniques focus on strategies that help encode, store, and retrieve information more effectively. These techniques may include mnemonic devices, visualization techniques, chunking information into smaller, manageable units, and practicing active recall through quizzes and repetitions. To enhance cognitive abilities and promote neuroplasticity, it's important to engage in activities that challenge and stimulate the brain regularly. This can involve learning new skills or languages, engaging in hobbies that require mental effort, or pursuing educational opportunities. Additionally, physical exercise has been shown to have a positive impact on neuroplasticity and cognitive function. Creating an enriched environment that provides diverse stimuli and experiences can also support neuroplasticity. This includes exposing oneself to new environment, engaging in social interactions, and seeking out novel experiences. The brain thrives on novelty and stimulation, which encourages the formation of new neural connections. It's important to note that neuroplasticity is not limited to specific age groups. While the brain is more malleable during childhood and adolescence, research has shown that neuroplasticity continues throughout adulthood and into old age. This means that it's never too late to engage in brain training exercises, memory improvement techniques, and other activities that promote cognitive enhancement. Okay, I agree to the fact that our brain tends to change at any age. But why is the concept so important, and what are the benefits of neuroplasticity? Well, the concept of neuroplasticity is crucial because it challenges the traditional view that the brain is fixed and unchangeable. Understanding and harnessing neuroplasticity has numerous benefits for our cognitive abilities, mental health, and overall well being. One of the key benefits of neuroplasticity is the ability to learn and acquire new skills throughout our lives. It means that we can continually adapt and improve our abilities, whether it's learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or acquiring expertise in a particular field. Neuroplasticity allows us to reshape our neural networks, strengthening connection related to skills we practice and reinforcing learning. Neuroplasticity also play a vital role in memory formation and improvements. By engaging in memory enhancing activities and techniques, we can enhance the connections between neurons involved in the memory processes. This can lead to improved recall, better retention of information, and enhanced overall memory performance. The benefits of neuroplasticity extend beyond learning and memory. It has implications for rehabilitation after brain injuries or strokes. Through targeted therapies and exercises, individuals can promote the rewiring and recovery of damaged brain areas, helping to restore lost functions and regain independence. Additionally, neuroplasticity is closely linked to mental health and well being. By engaging in activities that stimulate the brain and promote neuroplasticity, such as cognitive training, exercise, or mindfulness practices, individuals can potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline and age related cognitive disorders. Moreover, neuroplasticity offers hope for individuals with neurodevelopment disorders or conditions such as autism or dyslexia. By understanding the brain's ability to adapt and rewire, interventions and therapies can be designed to help individuals overcome challenges and develop new strategies for learning and communication. Overall, the concept of neuroplasticity is essential because it highlights the brain's incredible capacity for change and adaptation. By harnessing neuroplasticity through various activities or interventions, we can unlock our cognitive potential, enhance our learning and memory abilities, support recovery after brain injuries, promote mental well being, and improve the overall quality of life. Embracing neuroplasticity opens up a world of possibilities for personal growth, development, and resilience at any stage of life. So, it's not wrong if we say that neuroplasticity is a groundbreaking concept that revolutionizes our understanding of the brain. It emphasizes the brain's remarkable ability to adapt, change, and rewire itself throughout our lives. By recognizing and embracing neuroplasticity, we can enhance our cognitive abilities, improve our memory, support recovery from brain injuries, and promote mental well being. The benefits of neuroplasticity extend to individuals of all ages, offering hope and opportunities for personal growth, development, and resilience. So let's embrace the power of neuroplasticity and unlock the full potential of our amazing brain. So, this was it for today. We'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my efforts. Good luck and stay safe.